Engineering is cool! It's about more than just textbooks and equations. It's about using your brain to solve problems and make life better. Think about it. What's your favorite thing? Maybe it's your phone or your bike. Guess what? Engineers design those! Engineers are like detectives. They look at challenges and figure out clever ways to solve them. They're inventors, builders, and problem solvers all rolled into one. Whether it's designing a bridge or a new type of battery, engineers make the world a more awesome place. But here's the thing. Engineering is broader and more fascinating than you might think. It's not just about building bridges and cars, though that's definitely still a big part of it. Did you know there are engineers working on things like spaceships, robots, and even ways to clean up the environment? It's true! Engineers are the unsung heroes behind many of the technologies and innovations we use every day. From the depths of the ocean to the far reaches of space, their work touches every aspect of our lives. Let's take a trip through some of these amazing engineering worlds and see what makes each one so unique and fascinating. Aerospace engineers. These experts are responsible for designing and building the spacecraft that explore our universe. These are the rocket scientists who design spacecraft to explore the cosmos. They work tirelessly to ensure every mission is a success, from the initial design to the final launch. They work with cutting-edge technology to push the boundaries of what's possible in space travel. Their innovations pave the way for future explorations and discoveries. Biomedical engineers. These engineers are at the forefront of medical advancements. Here, engineers combine their love of biology and medicine to develop life-saving technologies. Think artificial organs, prosthetic limbs, and innovative medical devices that improve the quality of life for countless individuals, and new ways to diagnose and treat diseases. Their work is crucial in the fight against illnesses and in improving healthcare systems worldwide. Environmental engineers. These engineers are dedicated to protecting our planet and ensuring a sustainable future. These engineers are like Earth's superheroes, working to protect our planet. They develop solutions for clean energy, waste management, and pollution control to keep our environment healthy. They are constantly innovating to find new ways to reduce our carbon footprint and preserve natural resources. But wait, there's more! Let's not forget about the engineers who work on materials that are lighter than a feather, yet stronger than steel. There are engineers working on materials that are lighter than a feather, yet stronger than steel, creating the building blocks for future technologies. Engineers who build the software that powers our digital world, from the apps on our phones to the systems that run entire cities. And even engineers who design safer and more efficient nuclear power plants. Their work ensures that we have reliable and safe energy sources for the future. Engineering is everywhere. It's the invisible force that drives our modern world. It's not just in labs and factories. It's in every aspect of our daily lives. It's in the palm of your hand, in your home, and all around you. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, engineering is at work. Let's take a look at how engineering shapes our everyday experiences. Think about your smartphone. It's a marvel of modern engineering. Electrical engineers designed the tiny microchips that power your phone and the networks that let you call your friends, text emojis, and scroll through your favorite apps. Without them, our communication would be vastly different. Transportation is another area where engineering reigns supreme. Every vehicle you see on the road is a product of countless hours of engineering. Civil engineers design roads, bridges, and tunnels, ensuring they are safe and efficient for daily use. Meanwhile, mechanical engineers develop cars, trains, and airplanes, constantly innovating to make them faster, safer, and more efficient. All these engineers work together to get us where we need to go safely and efficiently, making our commutes and travels smoother. And remember those biomedical engineers? They are at the forefront of medical innovation. They're the reason we have X-ray machines, life-saving medications, and advanced diagnostic tools, and surgical robots that make medical procedures safer and more precise, reducing recovery times and improving outcomes. From the food we eat, thanks to agricultural and food engineers who ensure our food is safe and nutritious, to the water we drink, thanks to environmental and civil engineers who make sure it's clean and safe, engineering plays a vital role in keeping us healthy and thriving. It's the backbone of our modern society, making life better in countless ways. Hold on tight, because the future of engineering is going to be a wild ride. From the most advanced technologies to the most sustainable solutions, the innovations coming our way are nothing short of extraordinary. New discoveries and technological advancements are happening at lightning speed, and engineers are leading the charge. They are the unsung heroes, working tirelessly behind the scenes to bring these groundbreaking ideas to life. One of the most exciting frontiers is sustainable engineering. This field is not just about creating new technologies, but also about ensuring that these technologies are environmentally friendly and sustainable for future generations. As we face challenges like climate change, engineers are developing renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, designing eco-friendly buildings, and creating systems that minimize waste and maximize efficiency. They are finding ways to reduce our carbon footprint, making our cities greener and our lives more sustainable. Imagine a world where every building is energy efficient and every vehicle is electric. Artificial intelligence and robotics are also transforming the world as we know it. These technologies are not just about making our lives easier, but also about pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Engineers are creating intelligent machines that can learn, adapt, and even perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. These robots are becoming our partners in innovation, helping us achieve feats we never thought possible. Imagine robots assisting doctors in surgery, providing precision and support that can save lives and improve outcomes, or self-driving cars navigating our roads, reducing accidents, and making transportation more efficient and accessible for everyone. Biotechnology is another area where engineering is making incredible strides. This field is revolutionizing healthcare and medicine, offering new hope for treatments and cures. Imagine a world where we can regrow damaged tissues, offering new possibilities for recovery and healing. Develop personalized medicine tailored to your unique DNA, ensuring treatments are more effective and have fewer side effects. Or even create brain-computer interfaces that allow us to control devices with our thoughts, opening up new realms of possibility for communication and interaction. It sounds like science fiction, but it's closer than you think. These advancements are happening now, and they are set to change our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. And let's not forget about the challenge of resource management. As our planet's resources become more strained, innovative solutions are more critical than ever. As our global population grows, engineers are finding innovative ways to conserve water, develop sustainable agriculture practices, and ensure food security for all. They are also working on responsible resource extraction, ensuring that we can meet our needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. The future is bright, and it's being engineered right now. It all starts with a spark, igniting the engineer. Within, engineering is more than a profession. It's a mindset. It's about curiosity, creativity, and a passion for making things better. And guess what? Everyone has the potential to be an engineer. Did you ever build a tower out of blocks as a kid? Or try to fix a broken toy? Those were your first steps into the world of engineering. Every time you tinker, experiment, and try to figure out how things work, you're tapping into your inner engineer. So, how do you nurture that spark? Ask questions, explore the world around you, and never be afraid to experiment. Read books and watch documentaries about science, technology, engineering, and math. Take things apart, safely of course, and try to put them back together. The more you learn and explore, the more you'll realize that engineering is everywhere and that you have the power to make a difference. Building a better tomorrow, brick by brick. The world faces big challenges, but engineers are working hard to find solutions. From combating climate change to curing diseases, engineers are using their skills and knowledge to build a better future for everyone. Imagine a world with clean energy, sustainable cities, and advanced healthcare for all. Engineers are working tirelessly to make this vision a reality. They're developing new technologies, designing innovative solutions, and collaborating with people from all walks of life to create a brighter tomorrow, brick by brick. And the best part is that you can be a part of this exciting journey. Whether you're passionate about environmental protection, healthcare innovation, or exploring the vastness of space, there's a place for you in the world of engineering. So, you want to be an engineer? If you're fascinated by the world around you, love solving problems, and want to make a real difference, then engineering might just be the perfect path for you. It's a challenging but incredibly rewarding field that offers endless opportunities for growth, creativity, and making a positive impact. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring the amazing world of engineering today. Talk to engineers, visit science museums, and dive into STEM subjects. The future is waiting to be built, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one to design it.